alaikum. Okay, let's cover the topic simple and compound interest. First, the formulas for simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is I equals PRT over 100. For compound interest, it is A is equals to P1 plus R over 100 par T. Some used to write T, some used to write N. Both are same. So what's the basic difference? Simple interest formula, it gives you the interest P is the principal or the invested amount or the borrowed amount. R is equals to rate, percentage rate per annum or per month, and T is equals to time for how long it is invested, and the symbols are same for both. A is equals to amount. Amount is basically interest plus the principal. Okay, now we have these past paper questions. Simple interest and compound interest questions. Find the simple interest on $200 for 4 years at 2% per annum. Write the formula, plug in the values. I equals PRT over 100. Principal amount is 200. Rate is 2%. Time is 4 years over 100. So solve them. 2 times 4. 4 times is 16. So there is $16 interest on 200 when invested for 4 years at 2% per year. Find the simple interest on 200 for 4 years at 0.6. So I equals PRT by 100. Price is 200. Rate is 0.6. Time is 4 years by 100. Get rid of this. 4 2 times 8. 8 6 times is 48. But we have a decimal, so 4.8. Sarah invests $240 in an account that pays 3% per year simple interest. She leaves the money in the account for 5 years. Work out how much money Sarah has left at the end of 5 years. So interest is equals to PRT over 100. So invested price is 240. Her rate is 3%. She left for 5 years by 100. 5 1 times, 5 2 times, 2 1 times, 2 12 times. So 12 3 times is 36. Now 36 is the amount of interest. 240 was already there. So basic amount is now the principal plus interest. 36 is the interest. So you add them and you get 276 in the account. Find the simple interest on 450 for 5 years at 4%. I equals PRT over 100. Invested amount is 450. Rate is 4%. Time is 5 years by 100. So 5 1 times, 5 2 times, 2 1 times, 2 2 times. 45 into 2 is 90. Amount of interest is $90. Find the simple interest on 400 for 3 years at 2% per annum. Interest is equals to PRT over 100. 400 rate is 2, years are 3, 100, 4 2 times 8, 8 3 times is 24. $24 interest. Anna invests $150 in an account that pays simple interest. She leaves. Money amount is given. Simple interest 4 years. At the end of 4 years, she has 162. So we have to find the rate. We know the amount. So we're using this formula. Amount is 162. Interest is unknown. The invested amount was 150. 162 minus 150. Interest is 12. So I equals PRT over 100. Interest is 12, invested amount is 150, rate is unknown, it was for 4 years by 100. Make R the subject. 100 into 12 is 1200 by 150 times 4 is equals to R. 4 1 times, 4 3 times, 151 2. So rate is equals to 2%. Find the simple interest on $200 for 3 years at 4% a year. Interest is equals to PRT over 100. Invested amount, rate is 4 times 3. 2 4 times 8, 8 3 times is 24. Daniel invests $1,200 in a saving account. That account pays simple interest at a rate of 2% for 6 years. Interest equals I equals PRT by 100. Price invested, rate is 2%. Time is 6 years. 100, get rid of these zeros, and 2 6 time is 12, 12 time is 144. Calculate the amount of money in the account. So interest is 144, and 1200 plus 144 will be 1344 in your account. Meera invests some money at a rate of 2% per year simple interest. How many years does it take for her investment to double? For her investment to get double, so interest should be exactly equal to the principal amount. If you invest 100, you get an interest of 100, only then it could be doubled. So I equals PRT over 100. Either you suppose any value or keep it as P. Interest should be equal to the invested amount, only then it is doubled. So we have to find time. I'm making T the subject. So 100P divided by PR is equals T. Get rid of this P, and rate is 2%. So T is equals to 100 by 2, and time is equals to 50 years. This was simple interest. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.